What's the meaning of baker's chocolate? Baker's chocolate. Baker's chocolate.
Baker's chocolate. Baker's chocolate. Baker's chocolate is a type of chocolate that is unsweetened and designed specifically for baking purposes. It is made primarily from roasted cocoa beans that have been ground into a smooth and thick paste, with little to no added sugar or flavoring ingredients. The name comes from the fact that it was originally sold by the Baker Chocolate Company, which was founded in 1765 in Massachusetts and is one of the oldest chocolate makers in the United States. Because it lacks the sweetness found in other types of chocolate, Baker's chocolate is often used in recipes that call for a pure chocolate flavor, such as in brownies or chocolate cakes.